Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Easy American English. Today, we have a very special episode. Many people understand English, but they cannot speak English. Does this happen to you?
Yes, Jessica. I understand a lot of English. When I watch videos, I understand. When I read, I understand. But when I try to speak, my voice stops. My mind freezes.
Don't worry, Jack. You are not alone. This happens to millions of English learners. And today, we will unlock your English voice. We will learn 10 powerful, simple, easy tips that will help you speak English with confidence. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Tip number 1 is very important. Start small. Speak small. Many learners wait for big English, perfect English. But small English is the best place to start. Small sentences like, I am ready. I like English. I can learn. These small sentences build your speaking muscles.
Oh, so small English is good English.
Yes, small English is strong English. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I can speak small English.
I can speak small English.
Listeners, now you try. Say, I can speak small English. Tip 2 is called shadowing. Shadowing means listening and repeating like a shadow. You hear a sentence, you repeat the sentence.
So, like copying.
Exactly. Copy the sound, copy the rhythm, copy the music of English. Let's try. I say, good morning, how are you? You say it after me.
Good morning. How are you?
Nice. Listeners, now you repeat. Good morning, how are you? Tip 3. Use simple English. Do not try very big words in the beginning. Use easy words you already know. Words like go, come, eat, want, like, help, need.
So simple words help me speak more?
Yes, simple words help you speak faster and easier. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I need help.
I need help.
Now another one. I want food.
I want food.
Listeners, now you try. I like simple English. Tip 4 is very powerful. Think in English. When you translate in your mind, you become slow. You get stuck. You lose confidence.
Yes, I translate everything. It takes time.
So start thinking small English thoughts. I'm happy. I'm tired. I want tea. Little thoughts in English every day. Let's try. Say in your mind, I am learning English. Tip 5. Speak out loud. Not silently, not in your mind. Speak with your real voice.
But I feel shy speaking alone.
It's okay to feel shy, but speaking out loud trains your mouth. Your mouth must learn English sounds. Your tongue must move in a new way. Say this loudly. I can speak English every day.
I can speak English every day.
Listeners, your turn. Tip 6. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are good. Mistakes are teachers.
I always feel scared of making mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. So say this powerful sentence with me. Repeat. Mistakes help me learn.
Mistakes help me learn.
Listeners, repeat after us. Mistakes help me learn. Tip 7. Practice with a partner. Talk to a friend in English. Practice simple sentences. But if you don't have a partner, use a mirror.
A mirror?
Yes. Look at your face. Look at your mouth. Speak to yourself. Let's do a mirror practice sentence. Repeat. Hello, I am learning English. I am doing great.
Hello, I am learning English. I am doing great.
Well done, Jack. Tip 8. Listen more. The more you listen, the more you learn to speak. Listening gives you vocabulary. Listening gives you pronunciation. Listening gives you confidence.
So, listening helps speaking?
Yes, good speakers are good listeners. Listen to podcasts. Listen to short videos. Listen to simple English stories. Now, listen to this short line. English becomes easy when I listen every day. Now, repeat.
English becomes easy when I listen every day.
Tip 9. Speak slowly, not fast. Many learners think fast English equals good English, but slow English is clear English. Slow English is confident English.
Oh, I try to speak fast and then I make mistakes.
Yes, Jack. Speaking slowly helps your brain and mouth work together. Repeat after me. I will speak slowly and clearly.
I will speak slowly and clearly.
Listeners, now you try.
And now, tip 10. Make English a daily habit. Not one day, then stop. Not once a week, every day. Just 10 minutes, just small practice, just small speaking.
So, small daily practice is better than big weekly practice?
Exactly. Small daily steps build strong English. Repeat after me. I will practice English every day.
I will practice English every day.
Listeners, your turn.
Now let's do a short practice session.
I say a sentence, Jack repeats, then you repeat. Ready? I can speak English.
I can speak English.
Your turn, listeners. I am confident.
I am confident.
Your turn, listeners. I will practice every day.
I will practice every day.
Your turn, listeners. Now let's review all 10 tips we learned today.
Tip 1, start small, speak small. Tip 2, shadow what you hear. Tip 3, use simple English. Tip 4, think in English. Tip 5, speak out loud.
Tip 6, don't fear mistakes. Tip 7, practice with a partner or a mirror. Tip 8, listen more. Tip 9, speak slowly. Tip 10, practice every day.
These tips are so helpful, Jessica. I feel more confident now.
And I hope you, dear listeners, feel confident too. Remember, you understand English. And with these tips, you will speak English. Step by step, day by day.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you in the next episode of Talk Easy American English. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep speaking.